Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Chandigarh, specializing in providing cutting-edge building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, they offer comprehensive BIM services to clients in the construction and architectural industries. Their expertise in BIM allows them to streamline design processes, improve collaboration, and enhance project efficiency. As a BIM company in Chandigarh, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd understands the importance of staying ahead in an ever-evolving industry. They continuously invest in the latest software and training to ensure they are at the forefront of BIM technology. Their team of experienced BIM consultants and designers are well-versed in industry standards and best practices, enabling them to deliver high-quality BIM models that meet clients' specific needs. Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd offers a range of BIM services, including 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoffs, and construction documentation. Their BIM models are detailed and accurate, allowing clients to visualize projects before construction begins. By identifying clashes and conflicts early on, they help prevent costly rework and delays during the construction phase. Collaboration is key in their BIM services enable seamless collaboration between architects, engineers, contractors, and other stakeholders throughout the project lifecycle. This ensures that all parties are working from the same information and reduces the risk of errors and miscommunication. With a focus on delivering high-quality BIM solutions, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd has established a strong reputation in Chandigarh and beyond. They have successfully completed numerous projects across various industries, including residential, commercial, industrial, and infrastructure. Their commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction sets them apart as a leading BIM company in Chandigarh. In conclusion, Scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is a reputable BIM company in Chandigarh that offers comprehensive BIM services to clients in the construction and architectural industries. Their expertise in BIM technology allows them to deliver accurate and detailed models, streamline design processes, improve collaboration, and enhance project efficiency. With a focus on staying ahead of industry trends and investing in the latest software and training, they strive to exceed client expectations and deliver